Hello! The whole Peppa Pig family got together. The Peppa Pig family all rode a red car. Departure? Where will the Peppa Pig family go? Oh, finally, the Peppa Pig family has arrived. Where is this? The Peppa Pig family gets out of the car. Mom and Dad first, and even children. Suzy Sheep appeared. Welcome to Suzy Sheep's Deluxe house. Let's go up the second floor. This is the bathroom. Peppa Pig's mother puts clothes in the washing machine and goes into the bathtub to take a bath. The children came up to the room on the second floor. Wow, there's a bunk bed and it's really good. I'm on the second floor. I'm on the first floor. Peppa Pig, the children were all on the bed. Both children fell asleep. Suzy Sheep is enjoying watching TV on the first floor. Peppa Pig's dad came to watch the TV after hearing the Suzy Sheep's laughter. It looks so much fun. Peppa Pig's dad and Suzy Sheep sit on the sofa and watch TV. Brother came to the kitchen because he was hungry. What's in the refrigerator? Should I prepare food? First, he brought the table and all the chairs. After taking a bath, Peppa Pig's mother also came to the kitchen. Mom started making food for the hungry family. The children woke up smelling the food. Dad and Suzy Sheep, who are watching TV in the living room, also smelled the food. Mother called the family and Suzy Sheep to eat. Everyone gathered at the table. Peppa Pig family and Suzy Sheep had a happy time eating delicious food.